how do we continue to encourage people to really carry on or create traditions? How do we continue to encourage families, whatever those families look like, to gather, come together, celebrate those moments? We see ourselves as simply props in the stage in which they're experiencing their life. And we want that to carry on. We want you to pull out that wine goblet from your grandmother and remember when she set the table and you came to it and what was served, where you smell the food, where you remember and hear the laughter. That is the why we as marketers do what we do, is to hear those stories. So to me, as the world gets more technically inclined, or as I've heard it referred to as gets more Jetsons, I'm hoping y'all can reference that. Right. But we as marketers get to become more Flintstones, right? Engage at a human level with each and every customer you can. Hear them, see them, listen to them.